We're then going to look at reporting. So this is when we're starting to personalize the house. So as we've discussed, having the data is only the beginning. It's what you do with it. So this is an example Power BI dashboard for a charity customer showing relevant live reports. So remember what we said about Jim Collins shooting lots of bullets before choosing the cannonball. You know, this type of report will give us real-time information. So, going through spreadsheets, you'll be able to see what's working, what's not, be able to see what capacity our different centres have, how many assessments that we've done this week. There's huge amounts here, and this is all live, so it all pulls directly. It's accessible on your mobile. You can filter it, different therapists, different centres, different date ranges. So there's a huge amount of opportunity, and hopefully that will bring to life the data, and you'll have that then at your fingertips to be able to make better decisions as you move forward.